How to export data to Excel from Wrike. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll put you through on how you can export data to Excel from Wrike. So, exporting data to Excel from Wrike is a feature available to all users except collaborators, and here is how to do it. The first thing after logging in into your account is to navigate to the folder, project, or space you'd like to export. So I'll be going to this space now. So okay, where is it? So after seeing the space, the next step is to click on the three dots next to the space. After clicking on these three dots next to the space, ensure you open up the space or the project or whatever. All right. So after opening it up, you can see the option. You can see the space tab, you can see the projects, you can see other things. Now to export this, just move to the top part of the screen where you can see view, active tags, priority, etc. Then click on the more option button. After clicking on that, you can see the option export this table to Excel. Alright, or export this project to Excel, depending on the one you want to export. Then if it's project, just click on export this project to Excel. Then the small box will be displayed at the middle of the screen. So you select the one that you want to export, click on export, and then just like that, as you can see, the table and the project has been exported. So you can just click on it to check it out. So that is how to do it. It is very simple. Follow these procedures and you would be fine. Thanks for watching and have a good day.